Hi, in this video we will learn how to copy a data table from a PDF file into Excel. Here I have a PDF file that contains two different tables. Now let's see how we can import these tables directly into Excel. First, open a blank Excel file. Go to the Data tab, then click on Get Data. From here, select From File and then choose From PDF. Now select your PDF file and click Import. Excel will automatically analyze the PDF and detect any tables inside it. As you can see, both tables are listed here in the preview panel. Select the table you want to import. On the bottom right, you'll see the Load option. If you want to load the table into a new worksheet, just click Load. If you want to add it to an existing worksheet, click on Load To and choose your desired location. I'll simply click Load and the data table is now imported into Excel. Notice that the data is imported as an Excel table. Because of this, you'll see a Table Design tab at the top from where you can easily change formatting, colors, and table styles. Now, if you want to remove the table formatting and convert it to normal data, there are two easy ways. First method, select any cell inside the table. Go to the Quick Styles drop-down in the Table Design tab and select Clear. This will remove the table colors. Now, in the Tools section, click on Convert to Range and press OK. The table will now become a normal data range and you'll notice that the Table Design tab disappears. Second method, click on the top left corner button of the worksheet to select the entire sheet. Now go to Clear and select Clear Formats. This will remove all formatting from the data while keeping the values intact. And that's how you can easily copy and clean data tables from a PDF into Excel. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.